Lesson 14. Common Phrases Part 2. At home. A yard. A yard. A yard. Back home in Jamaica. Backyard. 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 Maturing too quickly. Force ripe. Force ripe. Force ripe. So-so or weak. So-so or fenke. So-so, fenke. So-so, fenke. Copycat. Follow fashion monkey. Follow fashion monkey. Follow fashion monkey. I don't get a good vibe from him. Miss Spirit no take him. Miss Spirit no take him. Miss Spirit no take him. Everything is great. Everything Chris. Everything Chris. Everything Chris. They're dying of envy. Bad mind I kill them. Bad mind I kill them. Bad mind I kill them. Don't take pleasure in the misfortune of others. No take ugly make laugh. No take ugly make laugh. No take ugly make laugh. Times are hard. Dirty tough. Dirty tough. Dirty tough.
Well dressed or overdressed. Dressed to post back foot. Dressed to post back foot. Dressed to post back foot.
To lose weight. Draw down. Draw down. Draw down. Skinny. Maga. 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 Very close friendship. Bench and batty. Bench and batty. Bench and batty. Climbing the ranks quickly but behaving arrogantly, which is similar to nouveau riche. Ori come up. Ori come up. Ori come up. It's raining heavily. What a piece of rain. What a piece of rain. What a piece of rain. Last born child. Wash belly. Wash belly. Wash belly.
Free time is up or holidays are over. Free paper bun. Free paper bun. Free paper bun.
You are evil or mean-spirited. You are crosses or you too bad mind. You are crosses. You too bad mind. You are crosses. You too bad mind.
Are you too good to help? Your hand in church? Your hand in church? Your hand in church?